Hi boys and girls, I hope you're all doing well. I miss you. Look at what I have here today. I have some flowers and water, and I have a book about plants. And today we're going to do a little experiment, and we're going to learn all about how plants grow and flowers grow, and specifically how they absorb water. So let's start by looking at our little book here called Plants and How They Grow. And we all know, because remember when we planted our pumpkins, that we needed what? We needed a pumpkin seed so it would grow. So all plants start out first as a seed. Let's find the seeds here. You can look at a little seed. See how there's a little seed here? So they need seeds to grow, and then you plant it in the dirt or the soil. And then what do? We water it. So all plants need water and sunlight so they can grow into beautiful flowers or trees, bushes, fruit trees. We can grow vegetables. We can grow pumpkins like we did. And, oh, look at all these beautiful flowers here. Look at all those amazing colors. And that's all something that grows in nature. Maybe take another nature walk when you're at home. Ask mommy or daddy if you can help water the plants and see if anything's growing and blooming in your yard. So let's see. In this book, there is a great experiment that Miss Shelly did too. So we're going to take a look at a video Miss Shelly made about the experiment. But this is going to show us, and the experiment is going to demonstrate how plants, or roses in this case, absorb water in a process called osmosis. Ooh, what a big college word that is, osmosis. Okay, so you can do this experiment at home too. All you need is a cup and fill it with some water. It's gonna be fun. And I have some roses here. You can use any type of plant. You can use roses, or maybe, well, Miss Shelly used celery, maybe like a long plant, maybe a longer flower. Here's a tulip here. I think it'll work with tulips too. Or roses. I think a lighter flower would be best. So I think what might happen is it'll show better in the yellow flower, but we're going to have to see. We're making a hypothesis, which is a guess in science. So here we go. We have our cups and our flowers, and we also need some food coloring. And I'm going to pick out the brightest colors. I think I'm going to do maybe a lot of blue and see if it's going to change the color of my red flower. Maybe, what would happen if red and blue got together? Purple maybe? I don't know. This is another hypothesis. And I'm going to put red in my yellow flower. So that might turn into orange. So you get your food coloring. Make sure you have mommy and daddy help you, because we need help to do this. And we're just going to drop 3 little squirts. Well, that was more like 4 or 5. Little squirts of food coloring into my water. And I'm going to do the same thing for my yellow flower here. And I'm going to count better. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Just mix it all up. And my guess is that this flower is going to start to look more purple in a couple days. We can wait maybe 1 day, and then we're going to check out our flowers. And I think this one, my yellow flower, might look orange. Who knows? What do you guys think at home? So I would love it if you could do this experiment at home too. And I'm going to send mommy and daddy like a link to do the experiment, and hopefully you can try it at home. And then let's see how Miss Shelly's experiment turned out. And I can't wait to see your pictures and your videos of how it worked for you guys. I love you. Bye.
Good morning, girls and boys. It's Miss Shelly, thinking of you. We're going to be doing an osmosis experiment, a science project, and it will tell us how plants absorb water. So I have a beautiful yellow rose, and I put it in green water. Oh my goodness. And I have a piece of celery, and I put it in red water. I wonder what I'm thinking. And I have some beautiful yellow mums, and I put them in blue water. And now what we're going to do, and you can do this at home too, we're sending a link that has all the materials you need, and mommy and daddy can help you do it. We're going to see if the rose will turn green. If the celery will turn red. And if the mums will turn blue. Now I just started, so about every 5 hours I'm going to look at this and take pictures to show how the plants will change. And this is because of springtime, all the flowers bloom. We want you to understand how the water, you water the plants, goes into the earth, the water comes up through the plant and helps it to grow and bloom. So all of these should change color. I hope it works. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you later. Bye.